Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be working on the CTS V. Actually, I'm going to be test driving the CTS V. We got it back, we got the tune in it, so I want to actually drive it to see how it feels with the new heads and cam. And also my brother actually drove it and he said that he felt like it had a misfire when you get down on it. So I'm gonna drive it and check for the misfire and see if I can figure it out. And also I'm curious to see how it sounds now and how it feels as far as driving it. So I'll start back recording when I get up to the shop. this one. The engine control module fault that came up right there is probably due to the issue with the ECM that the guy had to work out. So I'm not sure why it's not signaling misfire. Oh yeah, it's popping. All right, let me go up under the hood and see if I can figure something out. Okay, so we figured out the issue with the CTS V. We had a bad coil, so we changed out the coil and it runs a lot better now. But we had several burnt plug wires too, so we need to go ahead and get the plug wires changed out, and then I'll actually continue with taking it on the drive. But it runs a lot better now with the coil. So, and we just replaced it with a coil that we took off the Camaro. So okay, so we got the CTS V fixed. I'm taking on the test drive. It's not misfiring anymore. Where did this car go? this car in front of me is gonna go. Hope they go right. Yes. All right, camera is gonna be on the boost gauge. Okay, so same video several days later. With the CTS V, we had an issue that I talked about inside of the video. We got the car back from the tuner. It ran perfectly fine for several weeks, and all of a sudden it had a misfire to it. So in this video, my brother told me that it was only misfiring when you get down on it. So I started this video off as if I was going up there to drive the car and to see why it was misfiring or where it was misfiring from. And when I started the car up, as you see in the video, it was misfiring instantly. So I knew that something was wrong, so I didn't want to take the car for a test drive. So in between working on the C10 and checking out the CTS V, we found that we had several burnt plug wires and a bad coil pack. So that's what we ended up doing to fix the car. And I just took it on just a little quick drive. My first time driving the car since we put the heads and cam in it. And it does feel noticeably different. So thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Click that notification bell. And can't promise you that there's going to be many more CTS V videos, but check out some of my other videos. C10 project is underway, just like I just said, and I'm planning on rolling with that one pretty quick. So thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button. See you in the next video.